In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Morph transition in Google Slides. While Google Slides doesn't include a dedicated Morph feature like some other tools, you can create a smooth, Morph-like effect by reusing the same object across slides and applying a simple animation. I'll walk you through a clear, practical example so you can repeat it on your own slides. Start by opening Google Slides and loading a presentation. If you have a sample file ready, open that to follow along. On your slide, go to the top menu and choose Insert, then select Shape. From the Shapes panel, pick the smiley face shape. Click and drag on the slide to draw the smiley. Adjust its size and position so it's easy to see. You can drag the corners to resize proportionally and use the alignment guides to center it. With the smiley selected, right-click and choose Copy. Next, move to the second slide in your file. If you already have a slide too, click it in the left panel to select it. Right-click on the canvas and choose Paste to place the same smiley on this slide. Keeping the exact same object across slides helps create that Morph-like continuity. Go back to the first slide and select the smiley. Open the Fill Color control on the toolbar and choose a color you like. This change gives your eye a clear before and after to read as movement or transformation. Now switch to the second slide, click the smiley there, and open Fill Color again. Pick a different color for contrast. You can also slightly reposition or resize the smiley on the second slide to enhance the illusion of change, but keep it subtle for a smoother feel. With the second slide still selected, open the Insert menu again and choose Animation to bring up the Motion panel. You'll see a default animation, often set to appear. Click that drop-down and switch it to Zoom Out. This selection adds a dynamic entry that reads like part of the transition when moving from slide 1 to slide 2. Finally, preview your work by starting the slideshow. When you advance from the first slide to the second, you'll see the smiley shift in color and play the zoom animation, producing a simple Morph-like effect. If the movement feels too fast or too slow, adjust the animation speed in the Motion panel and keep your object names, positions, and sizes consistent across slides for the smoothest result. That's it, an easy way to simulate a Morph transition in Google Slides.